No. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, you can go. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Primadonna Brianna. Okay, today we're going to do a mother and son introduction video. This is fun. This is an informal introduction. So first we're going to start off with who are we. My name is Brianna and I am 21 years old, and this is my son Braxton. He is 1. He is 13 months, like to be super specific, and he'll be, oh my gosh, he'll be 14 months going on 14 years old on the 18th. I had a brain fart. I didn't know where I was and what I was doing. Okay. Oh! Braxton, you're gonna make my camera fall. Oh my goodness. Help me. Help me. Okay. So the next question is going to be, what do I do? I am a full-time mommy and I am a full-time student. And those are my 2 jobs. Did you poop? Oh my god, that's just gas. I am a biology major. Okay, so I am a biology major and I go to George Mason University. I am technically a junior. This video is just, it's gonna have heads popping up. It's gonna have a lot of background noise. It's gonna have Braxton about to fall off the bed. Stop. I went to Virginia State University previously and I would have been graduating this May, but I left and I took a partial semester off. I still took classes while I was pregnant. My ultimate goal is to be a pediatrician with a subspecialty in neonatology. So a pediatrician, of course, is a doctor who takes care of little ones, adolescent, well, from newborn to adolescent to, maybe I shouldn't be a pediatrician. Whoop, rewind. From newborn to 18. Got it. And then a neonatologist takes care of preemie babies who needs a little bit more special attention and care. My favorite color is orange. It's just a very light, happy color. I just really liked orange ever since I guess it started around middle school. 6 little ducks that I once knew. That one's skinny, one's fair, one's 2. But the one little duck with the feather on its back, he led the others with the quack, 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 quack. Okay, anyway, so, where was I? Oh man, we had a little song break. I don't know. Anyway, so more about me. So I live in Virginia, Northern Virginia, and every time people ask, oh, what's in Northern Virginia, I just say we're 30 minutes out from Washington DC. Then everybody's like, oh, you live near DC, let me come visit you. And I'm like, no. Okay, so I wanted to start YouTube long before I had Braxton, but there was always this little part of me that was like, nobody's gonna want to see what what you have to present. Like, you're not like fantastic at makeup, you're not like exceptional, like, oh my gosh. But then, like, I just knew that was like self-doubt, and I was like, I mean, I don't have to do makeup. I can talk, I can just be me. Then when I had Braxton, I was like, okay, no, like if I don't get a camera to do YouTube videos, I need a camera just to document like his life and just have memories. Like I don't want just pictures, I wanted videos so I could see, oh man, I remember that he used to do this, or this is how he used to say this word. So after I had him, I was definitely like, yeah, we're gonna do this YouTube thing. So yeah, so here we are, and my goal with my YouTube channel is just to have fun, like just to post and one day go back and look at it and just be like, wow, look how far I've come, like look how much we've grown, look how much we've grown. Okay, so he is exhausted, he's delirious. It is 8:35 at night, and me having him do this is pushing it. But Braxton, tell people, say, let's do it. He said, let's do it. So we did it. But anyways, no, he wants water. You threw the water on the floor. And if you want to see more of this crazy little guy who's everywhere doing everything all the time, and there's gonna be tons of bloopers, stay tuned, because he's always gonna be doing something he's not supposed to be doing, or something that's hilarious. So like, I'm not gonna do a formal introduction. It's gonna be very informal. It's basically just gonna tell you just like the tiniest little bit about me, because I don't want to tell you too much about me. I want you to see who I am through my videos, through the way that I'm a mother, through the way that I handle things. So I just don't really like looking at introduction videos on people's YouTubes, because I feel like, what does that really tell me about you? Like, of course you're gonna say these things about yourself, and really like what other people say about you, okay, so usually what other people say about you is like more of a reflection of yourself. So this is like really informal. Did I mention that this was the second time I tried to film this video? Are we done? It's mine now. Alright, we're gonna practice doing this thing. Okay, fine, you can have it, but can you keep it down some? With the yawn? Like, we're just gonna have fun. It's no formalities to these videos. Like, it's just us, authentically us. We're not trying too hard. We're not trying to be something we're not. It's just us. But anyways, I gotta go because Braxton's bedtime is now. Like, now. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. Sleep. So, now I want you guys to stay tuned for some bloopers, because this is the second, did you hear that? The second time I have tried to film a informal YouTuber tag introduction, that I just scratched the YouTuber tag because, so next we have some bloopers. Braxton. Hey everybody, it's Primadonnabrianna and welcome back to my channel. Come on, Braxton. Look, say hi. Hey everybody, it's Primadonnabrianna. Welcome. Ew. Hey, I have a special guest with me, someone I would like to introduce to you all. Okay. Here he is. This is my son, Braxton. Okay. And it's gonna be hard for him to cooperate with me right now because he is only 1 year old. So he's got a book. Say book. Say book. Say book. Okay. Say book. Book. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Look, look. Who's that? Say hi. 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 Okay, so Braxton is actually 13 months. So he's 1 year and 1 month. And he's a handful, to say the very least. To say like the very least about him. He is a handful. And he's actually not gonna stay here very much longer. No, 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 no. Okay, get him. We'll try to get him too. Okay. Okay, yeah. So the first question is, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Come here. Look here. You wanna watch Baby Shark? Baby Shark. Do, 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 do. He is even back. Oh, no.